Hello, everybody. Andrea here. So I have been in the dental profession for about 15 years. I am a restorative dental hygienist with her own mobile dental hygiene practice plus teeth whitening. So I actually go into patients' homes and do teeth cleanings, teeth whitening, the whole works. It's an amazing service, if I do say so myself. And I do have my own home practice too, where it's a nice, comfortable home environment for them. But what I love to do is teach and mentor others do the same thing. So if you want to start your very own teeth whitening business where you go to patients' homes or they come to you in your own space, there are certain steps, though, legally that you need to follow in order to do that, whether you are a dental professional like myself or not. So even if you just want to add on a teeth whitening side to your beauty business, lash business, spa, whatever. I teach you guys how to do that as well. And you will be fully certified if you take my teeth whitening course. But let me just kind of recap a couple steps for you that you do need to look into. Step number one is, do you want to have your own business? It might sound silly, but having your own business isn't cut out for everybody. Are you prepared to have, ups and downs, good days, bad days? But guess what? There are more good days than not. And having your own teeth whitening business means very minimal expenses. So number one is very, very easy. If you're watching the video, you're probably interested in your own teeth whitening business anyway. But if you're not interested in having your own business where you can create your own schedule, make your own money, work as hard or not as you want, then there you go. It really is that amazing. So if you're thinking, Andrea, of course, I want my own teeth whitening business, then move on to step two. Step two is, I want you to contact your local dental association and ask them what you need to have your own teeth whitening business. I cannot help you with that just because the world is a big place. If I were to look into that for you, it would just simply take too much time. But it's very easy for you to do that. You can call them, email them, whatever. Simply go online, Dental Association, and that will bring up your local dental association. If you've emailed them, maybe they're not getting back to you, try your local dental assisting association or your local dental hygiene association. Three different ones. I know. Email all of them and just simply ask them, whether you are a dental professional or not, what you need to start your own teeth whitening business. They might tell you anybody can, it doesn't matter. You just have to take a certified teeth whitening course. I can offer that for you. Or they might tell you you need to be a dental professional in order to do that. If you want to become a dental professional and then your own teeth whitening business, awesome, but it's going to take longer. To be a dental assistant, it takes about 1 to 2 years. To be a dental hygienist, depending on where you go, 2 to 4 years. So, but that's another kind of video altogether. If you want to know how to be a dental assistant or a dental hygienist, do a search on my channel for that and you will find lots of videos. But let's say you have figured that out and you know what to do. Step three is knowing what type of teeth whitening product you can administer. So what do I mean by that? To keep everything legal. So if you are a dental professional and you can administer the product to the teeth, that means you would need the cheek retractors, the higher percentage of carbamide peroxide and hydrogen peroxide. You can apply that directly to the teeth. You first would have to apply a gingival barrier coating to the gums to protect the gums so they do not burn. You would then have the LED light to kind of bring over there and then monitor things that way. It takes about 60 minutes for the full teeth whitening. Very easy. But let's say you are not a dental professional and you have found out that you cannot directly apply products to the teeth. In some areas you can, but some areas you cannot. This is where you do need to check with your local dental association and they can help you. But if you can't, you can still have your own teeth whitening business. You would simply purchase one of these kits, which I do offer inside the course. For those who need to use the self-administer method, this is included inside the course as well. I will send you 5 of these or 10, it is up to you, for your clients. So I send these to you. And then after you take the course, I sign you up for your own wholesale account. So you can order more of these anytime. Wholesale accounts are only available to my students and teeth whitening technicians. So not just anybody can be a part of this, because this is a regulated product, FDA approved product to go inside the mouth. So not just anybody, Mr. Smith down the street, can order this. It has to be a teeth whitening technician, and I can obviously help you guys with that. So if you cannot apply the teeth whitening product to the teeth, don't fear. You can still make great money and have a lot of fun with it. So you would get these kits. These kits include a tray, includes teeth whitening pens, 2 of these where the teeth whitening hydrogen peroxide is inside. It includes a charger to charge the tray. It does include a pre-treatment spray that I don't have with me. I forgot to bring it out, but that is to spray inside the mouth, brush the teeth before you use the whitening product. It comes with a shade guide to take your before and after shade for the client. So you would simply order this for your client, have this on the table. I'm trying to pick it all up together, have it on the table, one obviously per client, and then you would use everything that way, your own business. They would sit in the chair or lay down. You would take their before and after shade. I do have a more professional shade guide too, but this is just the one that comes with the kit. Take their before shade, click it off, show them so they're excited. Take a before photo. People love that. Anybody can do that, cell phones these days. And then you would apply the product right to their teeth. Super easy. This is mine. Kind of do this, top and bottom, not applying it to the gums, of course. Top and bottom. You would turn on the light, put the tray inside the mouth, like so. They would sit there for 15 minutes. The light turns off, take it out, apply more. So 2 layers is recommended for another 15 minutes. The patient sits there, hangs out, reads a magazine. As I said, 15 minutes, and then that will stop. So half an hour in total. Wipe off that peroxide with the Kleenex tissue, something, and then take their aftershade. It will look amazing. It does a great job. And the nice thing is they can take this kit home with them. Whoops, as I'm dropping things. I think I did that in the last video too. They can take this kit home with them, have them purchase some additional teeth whitening pens. So it's this in here for $20. They can do it themselves whenever they want. I tell clients they can do it once a month, once every 3 months, technically once a week if they wanted to. They would just purchase one of these pens, and one of these pens is good for about 3 or 4 different applications. $20, 3 or 4 different applications. Amazing. Clients are so happy, and it comes with instructions if you weren't sure. So it's fantastic. Plus, I do offer you guys inside the course a full equipment package. So depending on the type of package, you can do either with the light, cheek retractors, the greater percentage of hydrogen peroxide syringes, or these kits. You will all get additional items such as posters for your business, teeth whitening cards with before and after instructions. You'll get lots of these refills, kits, again, depending on the package of the equipment you do purchase, kits. So you have a full teeth whitening business right there. It's exciting. People will come to you as soon as they know you are a teeth whitening technician. They will come to you. They will want their teeth whitened, and you will make people happy. This product is the best on the market, and it's actually made and created by a dental professional, and there are desensitizers built in. If you are a dental hygienist, you can actually apply additional desensitizers to the teeth. But if you're not, you don't have to worry, because there are desensitizers built in to these whitening pens, meaning the teeth won't be sensitive. So if you have clients come to you saying, I've been sensitive before with teeth whitening, I don't know, tell them, try this one. There is desensitizers built in. It's made by a dental professional, not just a dental company, but a full dental professional. So it truly is fantastic. So that was kind of a very long step, but just so you know, there are different types you can do. Almost anybody can have their own teeth whitening business. It just depends on what method you are allowed to apply to the teeth, and all methods work amazing. Some work quicker than others. Some you might tell the client, we'll come back again next week for a touch-up session. This one, I would suggest they come up for a touch-up session, but you're still making great money and the client's happy. For these kits, you would charge your client $150 just once. So when they come up for the touch-up, you would still have some left in this syringe, remember, because it's 3 or 4 uses. The first time it's 2 uses. The second time you can do it again, probably even again. So I do explain everything inside the course, the different methods, but make sure you guys, when you're looking into teeth whitening course, get one with a dental professional such as myself, because I can offer that certification for you, a nice certificate to hang on the wall by a dental professional. So when clients ask you, where did you take your training? How did you do it? By a dental professional. 80 hours of full training, not 2 hours, not 3 hours. You can't learn anything in 2 or 3 hours, trust me. 80 hours of full training, learn at your own pace, and a business component. So I don't only teach you guys how to teeth whiten and how to do it safely, different stains, all kinds of things. I teach you guys a business component. So how to book clients, how to keep clients coming back. I talk about different systems to book with, different type of, like systems to book online, contact forms, consent forms. I teach you guys different products you can also sell in addition. So you have a full teeth whitening business. You can sell toothpaste, mouthwashes if you want. So it's very exciting. You can have a full teeth whitening business and look professional without spending a lot of money. You don't have to spend $20,000. $1,500, that's it for a full teeth whitening business and a wholesale account, so you can order more as you need it, as you choose, for a great price. So I hope that helped you guys. Let me know of any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.